أهلا، السلام عليكم، بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، والصلاة والسلام على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. There is in the beginning I wanted to tell something about there is some students, non-Arabic students. They contact with me and they say for me they need the explanation if I can explain it, the assignment in English. So for that reason I'll go ahead and explain the assignment in the English, and then but I will use the Arabic language and English for the specific words that Arabic students also have been understand the concept. So our objective this is the concept, and also for the Arabic students they will be familiar with the type of the questions, with the type of the words that maybe they will be used in the exam. So it will be helpful for the students and then also for the non-Arabic. Okay, فاسمحوا لي للطلبة أول assignment ثاني assignment شرحت بالعربي. So from this assignment I will start explain in English, because for the advantage of the all students. Okay, to get our target يعني. Okay, my target to get all of students A. Okay, so I hope you can get A. Okay, so let us start now. Okay, first question in this assignment, which is 2.3, it is find the limit if it is exist. If the answer is does not exist, so enter D and E. Okay, first question, how I can solve this example, which is limit x goes to the minus 2 for 2 minus absolute value of x over 2 plus x. Okay, limit x goes to the 2 حق 2 minus. Okay, in this case, because I have absolute value, so the concept of the absolute value in 2.3, it is when I have absolute value that maybe this absolute value, maybe it will be negative absolute, and there is maybe it will be positive absolute. Let me first explain the absolute value concepts. So there is a similar to integration, similar to that, there is two functions that I say x minus x if the x is less than 1, and I have also x if x greater than 1. So I have the positive values and the negative values depending on this one. For example, when the region, I will draw this one, I have here, okay, I have here the positive values. So if the value is here, for example, let me see, say for example 2. Okay, here, not minus, here 2, and for example I have here minus 2. So if our region in minus in the negative side, that we will use which one? I will use this one. In place of absolute value of x, I will replace it as only minus x, and I will remove the absolute. Okay, I will replace the minus x and remove the absolute. So it's also applying for the positive side. So for example, if I have as a value, for example, limit x goes to the positive value, for this case I will remove the absolute and replace with plus. So let us go ahead now and solve the this is important, by the way. Okay, if you understand the concept, this one, that will be well and fine for the all questions, all type of the questions of the absolute questions. Okay, so let us now go ahead and start solving. My question is limit x goes to the minus 2, because so I have here minus, so I can replace here this one absolute is will be minus x. So I will change the shape of the question because of the given of the question. That will be, in this case, that will be 2 minus x, sorry, this one, minus of the question. I will not touch it, and then I will replace, in place of absolute I will put minus x again, and also here 2 plus x. I will not touch anything in the denominator. okay numerator, sorry، بسط مقام. المهم, in this case I will also more simplify. That will be 2 plus x from the secondary school, minus is plus, 2 plus x. So now I have two options to solve this question. One option which I like it as especially for this question, it will be not apply maybe on the other questions. So because I have same bracket on the numerator and the same bracket on the denominator, that I can cancel each other. This one by this one is 1, so it means same as 1 over 1. That means 1, the value is 1. There is other way which I like it, and I hope the students also use this way, that I take the derivative of the, this is the calculus 2 way, but it is if you do it you will get the full mark. Okay, so you can do it and you will find the same result also. So my way is to find the derivative of the numerator and the derivative of the numerator. مشتقة البسط على مشتقة المقام. So I will take as a separately the مشتقة البسط as a separately. It is this one is whole. It is the function. Okay, it is a one function. For example, I will derivative only this function. So that will be the derivative of 2 is 0. The derivative of x is 1. And again I will take the derivative of the numerator. So for that will be 2 again. The derivative of the 2 is 0 from the secondary school, from this 366. Okay, plus the derivative of the x will be the 1. Okay, maybe I will take more time here because the very important things in the assignment. Okay, so what is the result now? 0 plus 1 is 1, so 1 over 1 is equal to, again the value is 1. Okay, I hope the students, they can follow this way because it is general rule and they can apply on any question and they will be get same answer. Okay, but I will try to do, if there is a specific way for this calculus one, I will do it because maybe it will be effect in the mark if you do it. So for example, if the question say for me, I want to you multiply the denominator by like this, 2 plus square root of x, like this. So I have to explain this one if you don't know about it. So I have to explain it to clear this part also, but it will be applied on all. Okay, let us move to the second question. Second question, evaluate the limit if it does not exist, right, does not exist. So how I can solve this question? This one basically I have to do by something we call multiplied it by opposite sign convention. So for example, I will do بالعربي نسميه احنا ضرب المرافق. 2, I will change the sign and then replace this one. Again here I will do in the denominator and denominator also same one, because I will change the shape without affect anything. Because for example, when I can do what? I can do this one and this one and this one and this one again, and it will cancel each other, so it will be 1 in the end. So I will change only the shape, but I will not change the question. Okay, I will change the shape of the question without changing the question itself. So yeah, let us go ahead now. How to multiply this concept here. I have this one and this one. You can separate, by the way. This one I can say the big bracket for the first one would be 4 minus x multiplied by 2 plus square root of x. Okay, now the numerator, the bottom, what will be the result? Basically the result will be I will multiply the first one with the first one and the second one with the second one. That's it. Because if I do in another way, the secondary school way, I will do what? First by first. Okay. And then I have first by second. Okay. And then I have the second by first and second by second. You will see the one thing, the common, which is when I multiply minus by 2, I will get minus 2. I will minus 2 square root of x. And also when I multiply 2 by square root of x, I will get plus 2 square root of x, and this one with the minus plus will cancel each other. So I don't want to do this one. Just follow the specific way, which is I will multiply this one by this one and this one by this one. The result I will put it. For example, so multiplied by 2 is 4. Easy. And square minus square root of x multiplied by the plus square root of x, I will get square root by square root is half by half. أنا أقدر أقول x to the power half. شايف عندي x. okay, by x to the power half. احنا في الضرب شنو نسوي؟ نجمع الأسس. In the multiplication I have to do what? Sum the powers. So in this case I will do the summation of power. So for example, half plus half is نص ربيع زائد نص ربيع is 100 fils. Okay, so half by half is 1. So the answer will be like this. Now let us go ahead and do the substitution. Even you can do the substitution in the calculator. It is okay, it is fine. You can do 4 minus alpha x, or you have to direct substitution, but I like this way. Okay, plus square root of alpha x over 4 plus alpha minus alpha x. I will also only do that I substitute this value all in the calculator, and I will substitute by 4. Okay, by 4 here. Okay, then I'll go here and do calc 4. So the result will be in the determinant. Okay, sorry, I forget one thing. The result will be indeterminate in this case, but I have here, I reach to the something, I forget it, which is this one is same as this one. I can cancel each other, and then the remaining will be 2 plus square root of x when I substituting. So here 2 plus square root of 4 is 2, so 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, the answer will be 4. خلاص هني manually ما بعور راسي زي بعد manually anyhow. Okay, you can do it in the calculator, but I do it here manually because of the previous one. I failed because of forget this one. Okay, so the main case, the main thing also when you solve the problems, you will face something also. The problem, how I think to solve, how I can think what I want to solve the problem. شلون أعرف the main purpose thing for the solving this type of the problems, that how I can do something that I will minimize the giving of the question. For example, what I can do in this case, okay, even by following the rules, that I can cancel something that will be minimize the giving of the question. So in this case, for example, if you see in the end I reach with the answer that I cancel 4 minus x over 4 minus x. So I cancel something it is before it is available in the question, but in the end I will get the result. I change the shape of the question, but I am not changing the question itself. So I change the shape of the question that to get me to the result, to approach me to the result. So this is the main thing in this type of the question. What I can do to minimize the giving of the question. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. So let us move now to the question 3. Question 3 is easy, I think. Okay, and I explain it in 2.2, but I will repeat here again because of the English, so non-Arabic. Okay, so I repeat it in English now. Okay, if it is any important thing, I will tell in Arabic also. Okay, here graph is given. قال لي the graph of the f and g is given using, so this one is f of x graph, and also in this one is g of x graph. So I have two graph, no problem. Now the question is say the limit x goes to the 2 for f of x plus g of x. What I have to do, plus in this case I will explain once only how to deal with this question. This question is basically is limit x goes to the 2, basically it is 2 of f of x, okay, plus limit x goes to the 2 of g of x. This is the question basically. What I have to do is I have to open the bracket, I have to simplify, I have to do this way, which is giving or multiplying or put the limit inside the bracket. This is the basically this is the question in the basic way that I have to do for each function, the limit of it. So limit x goes to the 2 for f of x. Okay, this one, what is the value of this one? When I go to the graph of the f of x, that I have to also check. Also there is one comment. When I say f of x or limit x goes to the 2, what it means, I can find the value of 2 if the limit x goes to the 2 from the left side is equal to the limit x goes to the 2 from left side. If the right side is equal to the left side, I can say the value it is exist. This one is very important point that I can solve by it. This question, which is the value, what if they say limit x goes to the 2, okay, to the 2 it is different than the x goes to the 2 from right side. إذا كان في minus فوق different minus, I have to check only from the left side, plus I have to check only for the right side. But if I don't have plus or minus, I have to check both sides. And the answer will be satisfied if the limit goes to the right side is equal to the limit goes to the left side. So for this question, again I will come to the limit. بنجي نشوف شنو مثل ما قلت هناك. From the right side, what is the value? Is minus 1. And again, from the left side, so from the right side, what is the value? It is same. To the 2 قالوا صح؟ To the 2 هذا 2 عندي. هذا 1 هاي 2 x. أجي رقم من جديد. أعيد الحين 1 هاي 0 هاي 2 هاي 3 هاي 4. نفس الشيء يعني 0 1 فوق 2 3. Okay? Same. Okay? And then what I have to do now? From to the 2, if it is approach from the left side is 2. It is the value what? Any minus 1. And if it is approach from the right side and left side here, right side, it is also minus 1. So the value is minus 1. Now I can't put minus 1. Otherwise, if approaches is different than this one, I cannot put the minus 1. This one be this not exist if it is not equal. Again, from the here, from the second one, I have 2 here 2. Okay, and yeah, I have the approaches here. I will get 2. And also when I approach from the right side, I will came from right side. I will come from here. I will come from here. Okay, so this one also will be 2. Fine. So 2 2. So plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 is 1. طبعا أشياء okay for the secondary school. Okay, now this one, x goes to the 0 for f of x minus g of x. What is the limit of x goes to the 0 of f of x? Goes to the 0. بمسح أنا طبعا بمسحه بس بشرح أحسن. المهم goes to the 0. Where is the 0? When I come g f of x goes to the 0. Okay, 0, this one 0. Okay. Is this one 0? Okay. When I come from the right side, the value is 3. 1 2. When I come from the left side, and when I come right side also 2. Okay, in this case I can put what here? بصغر الخط 2 minus what? When I come again, that's why the value is, the answer is does not exist. هالكونسبت اللي شرحته. When I come to the 0 from the left side, I will get to the 0. Where is the 0? This is the 0. Basically this is the 0. Okay, so I have this is the 0. حلو انزين. When I came, what I have to do, when I come from right side, from left side, the value is 3. Here 3. انزين. When I come from the left side to the 0, this is the 0. Okay, what is the value? It is 1. Because of the limit x goes to the 0 from the right side is not equal to the x goes to the limit x goes to the 1 from the left side, so the value will be this not exist. Okay, so for that reason the value is this not exist, because 2 minus this not exist, the value is this not exist. Okay, let's move now The question say also limit x goes to the minus 1 for f of x multiplied by g of x. Okay, when I come, so have to multiply it. I have to find the both values and multiply it each other. So minus 1, where is the minus 1? It does raise this one. Okay, minus 1, where is the minus 1? Minus 1 here. Okay, here is minus 1. Hello. What is the value when I come from the left side is equal to 1, I come from the right side is equal to 1, so the value is 1. Okay, again here بمسحها بمشي على السريع. Okay, why السريع بمشي الحين. I will move quickly, okay, because I explained the concept. Okay, so again, when I came here from the minus, where is the minus 1? Here, my minus 1. When I come from here, the value is 2, and when I come from here, again 2. أنا أجي عند الواحد, I have to come here يعني at the one from the left side and from the right side. I have to put like this, the line, and come to it from the left side and come to it from the right side. If it is same, so the value for here, the values will be 2. So 2 by 2 is, 2 by 1. So the value is 2. Because here 1. Okay. So 2 by 1 is 2. Okay. Again, limit x goes to the 3. So 3. What is 3? I have 3 is I1, I2, I3. I3. When I come from here, the value is, again, I will put the line at the 3, and I will come to it from the left side and right side. What is the value? Okay, what is the value? It is 2 again. 2 or 1? 1. So the value is 1. Here is 1. Okay. خربطة أدري بس بمسح شكل خاص بعيد يمكن إن شاء الله ما خاف ما تفهمون ما مشكلة. المهم فزين let us again at the 3. If it is moved to the 3, so this is the 3. This is the 3. I have to put the line at 3 because this one 1, this one 2, this one 3. So I will come to the line from right side and will come from the left side. Where is the intersection is the value. So the intersection is 1. So here is 1 for question number D. Number D. مهم. Then I have to raise this one. Again, I will check the 3. Here 1, here 2, here 3. 3. The value is, when I come from the left side, it is the 0, and if it is come from the right side is 0. But how it is come does not exist, because any value over 0 does not exist. Okay, here 1 over 0. So 1 over 0 does not exist. 1 over 0. Okay. انزين again. اوكي هني حركة شو خايسة يعني بالنسبة لي. اوكي حاطين limit x. انزين x is what? x square في ال f of x. I will come to the limit x goes to the 2 for f of x. اتوقع ان شاء الله وجدناه فوق. اوكي اوجدناه فوق احنا. We find it in the first question, which is a part, that the value is minus 1. So what I have to do is, here is equal to minus 1. There is no problem on this one, but the problem is the x. There is some mistake from the students that they make what? They forget, they don't know how to use it, how to substitute the value, where I can find the x value, where is the graph of x. This is the question which I received from the students. Where is the graph of x square? Have I draw the graph of x square and find the value at the 2? Yes, you can do it. Yes, you can do it, but there is a specific way, which is the simple way. I have to substitute 2 in x. That will be 2 to the power 2 multiplied by minus 1. then is equal to 2 by 2 to the power 2 is 4, so 4 by minus 1 بفصل هني. okay, so it is equal to minus 4. This is the basic think about it. There is a student say for me I need the graph. Have I need the graph of x square? Yeah, if you do it, you can do it, by the way. There is 100 million way for the mathematic solving, but it depends on you. Yeah, yes, I can do the x. Everyone I think know how to draw the x square graph. So at the x will be the what? 4. But you can substitute. It will be basic. It will be more basic. More easy. Okay. المهم. Now the question f. Question they say f of minus 1 plus limit x goes to the minus 1 في g of x. Okay, this one also important for me. f of minus 1. What is the f of minus 1? سؤال. أنا يعني سبق. Okay, I will be explaining in Arabic and English. سبق وشرحت لكم الطريقة. There is a difference between limit x goes to the minus 1 and limit of minus 1. حتى في العربي قلت شنو؟ يعني لما يجي يقول أنا f of 1 يعني at ال 1 بالضبط عنده. بعد لما نجي يقول limit x goes to the هو ترى شنو؟ هو يقترب بالعربي، يقترب his approach to the. اوكي بالانجليزي كامل بالعربي احسن. اوكي so يقترب من minus 1 not exact 1. يعني هو قبل minus 1 بواحد او بعد minus 1 فتيتات كذي فتات براد. زين so there is a difference and also from the graph. زين شلون نعرف من الرسمة إذا قال لي at ال 1 بالإنجليزي يقولون at يعني f of at يعني f of minus 1 at 1. I want at 1. at 1 بتكون إذا كانت هناك دائرة مغلقة أخذها at. Otherwise the value will be does not exist. يعني لو ما كانت موجود دوائر مغلقة عند الماينس 1 الجواب راح يكون does not exist. وراح يكون في جواب لهالحالات إذا كان في عندي دائرة شنو مفتوحة. إذا كانت عندي دائرة مفتوحة عند minus 1. Otherwise the value will be does not exist. فالسؤالي الآن هنا لما جاء قال f of minus 1 what is the value of f of minus 1. هذا what is the value. اترك الليمت خلاص. limit easy busy. What is the value of minus 1 in English that I can take limit. There is a difference between the open point and the closed point. The closed point I will use it only if there is a determined value. For example, and there is difference also between limit x goes to the minus 1 and limit x goes to the 1. The difference is the limit goes to the minus 1. It is approximately 1. It is not at 1, not exact at 1. In the limit, it is approximate to the 1. It is before the 1 by some points maybe. And it is after the 1 by some points maybe. But it is not at 1. It is not at 1. And the other thing also, how I can find if it is at 1 from the graph. I can see if it is at 1 if there is close point, and if it is open point, that will be does not exist. So if it is there is no close point at -1, I cannot say there is a value. I will directly say does not exist, and I can say there is a value if there is a close point for this question. So go ahead and solve. Let us, after long explanation, at -1 I have this value. So what is this value? Is 1 and 2 and 3. So the value here will be 3. So first one will be 3. 3 plus. What is the limit? X goes to the -1. There is a ghost. When I say ghost, it is approxed. -1. What is the -1? First of all, where is this one? First of all, -1, I have to put the line like this at -1. So here -1. Here -1. So what is the value at -1? It is 2. Okay, from the graph is 2. So here I have to add 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. But there is a difference. So don't let anyone to cheat on you or joke on you. Okay, so take care about these things in the limit. It is also required for the 2.2. Okay, so yeah, let us now moving. We solve now how much? Well, 33 question in 36 minutes. Okay, I will try to, but okay. Okay, let's go to the discussion now. Evaluate the limit if it is exist. If an answer does not exist, enter does not exist. Okay, how to solve this question? This question basically there is a two way. One way is I have to simplify the denominator and numerator. Okay, simplify the denominator and numerator. So for example here, let's do it. What is the simplify of the x square minus and mod 5 and 3? Then 1 minus 2 minus 35. I will get x minus 7. I believe that all of you know this one. So x plus 5. Okay, and then again for the second one, 7 34 minus 5. Okay, that I will get 7x minus 1, and I will get the second one is x plus 5 from the calculator. Okay, now yeah, this one and this one. Okay, this one cancel. Now I will substitute by minus 5. So minus 5 minus 7 over 7 by minus 5 minus 1 by calculator طبعا. Okay, I think this is easy. Okay, just mod 5 3 and do it. Minus 7 over 7 alpha x minus 1. Okay, and I will substitute by minus 5. So the value will be 1 over 3, as you see here. 1 over 3. Yeah, simple. Just simplify the denominator and numerator. Okay, just do mod 5 3, and then as I say in the first question, you have to do that something in any way that you will be minimize the given of the question. minimize the given of the question. So now I minimize the given of the question. Again, here we can do simple substitution, by the way. 2 by minus 8 minus 5, 2 by minus 8 minus 16, minus 5 is minus 21. So the value is 21. Now here what I can do, how it is does not exist, how it is does not exist. Let us do one thing. As we know, I can take common factor x and x from here. That will be x plus 3. Hello. And then I have to do 5 and 3 for the denominator, which is 1 minus 1 minus 12. You will get what? You will get x minus 4 by x plus 3. From here I can cancel this one by this one. Then I get which one? 4 again. So what is 4 over 4 minus 4? That will be 4 over 0. And anything divided by 0, it is does not exist. Okay, راحة نفسية صراحة. Okay, if you want I think it is clear. First of all, I take the common factor from here and here because I have 2x. So common factor, I take x from here and x from here and x from here. Okay, and put it like this, and then the remaining is x plus 3 because I take that x from each side. And here I do mod 5 3 by calculator and simplify it by x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 3, and then cancel x plus 3 over x plus 3 with x plus 3. The remaining is x over x minus 4. Then substituting my x is 4. So 4 over 4 minus 4. 4 over 0 does not exist. Okay. Now this one also same. Okay. The main thing is if I have the second degree of the question or the third degree, I have to factorize it of the equation. So this one also again mod 5 3, 1 minus 2 minus 35. If you want to see it, I will show it now in my calculator. Okay, let us show you. I do my calculator. Your calculator is mod 5 3. Okay, my calculator is this one. Okay, I have to do 1 2 minus 35. The result I get is you will get in minus. If you get in minus, you have to put it in plus. So that will be, sorry, you have to put it in plus. So the value will be t plus 7 multiplied by t. The second one is 5, so I have to put it in minus. So minus 5 here, t minus 7. Okay, now the question. Now the question. The question is how I can simplify this one. I can here multiply it by minus 1. When I multiply it minus 1, I will get minus minus here. Or I can take, sorry, it will take minus common factor from here. Okay, the result will be when I multiply it by minus, that will be minus t plus 7. Okay, maybe you can find it directly. Let me try. Okay, I see this one first time. Okay, so alpha x square minus 2 alpha x minus 35 over alpha x minus 7. Let us do 7. Substituting does not exist. Okay, does not exist. Then minus 7 plus 5 is equal to minus 2. So 7. I think here also it's plus. Yeah, it is my mistake. It is my mistake. I have to put here minus 2, replace 2, so that I will get minus 5 and 7. Minus 5 and 7 I have to replace. Sorry for that interruption, for my mistake. Okay, that I have to do what? I have minus, because I get here, because I get plus, I will put it minus. Because I get minus here, I will put minus 5, I will put plus. Okay, so sorry for my mistake. Okay, this one with this one and cancel, and remaining will be t. T is what? 7. So I will replace, I'll replace t with my 7, so that will be 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Easy busy. Okay, here direct substitution. When I do 5 plus 1 over 2, sorry, plus. Take care for this one, the plus and minus. Okay, x, so x will be the 4. Half 4 is 2, so 5 minus 2 is, what is the half 4? أنا عندي 4 ربيات، نص ال4 ربيات is ربيتين. اوكي، نص ال4 ربيات بعطي ربيتين كل شخص. نص هذا 5 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, also here is main thing. Okay, how I can do this question? Very important question. I have third degree and I have second degree. By factorizing, I can do this one. I can factorizing the numerator by t square minus 4 by t square plus 4. sorry, t square من وين جت سكوير؟ استغفر الله. t plus 4. غيرت السكوير. okay, fine. This one fine. What I can do for this one, I can take t minus 4 and multiply it by t square plus 4 plus 16. مربع كامل. مربع كامل. sorry, 2 here 4. yeah, I have to replace one. I'll raise it. Not 4, 2 again. Okay, again I have to do what? t minus 2 t plus 2, and here also t minus 2 by t square plus 2t plus 4. مربع كامل. هذا لما احطه في الآلة مود 5-3 اجرب كذي مود 5-3 بعد 1 2 4 راح يعطيني شنو؟ زين. I can cancel this one with this one. 2. You can substitute by 2, and I do it 2 square plus 2 by 2 plus 4 over all 2 plus 2. that will get 3. اوكي مربع كامل طبعا. اوكي فانزي اعوض هني، بس اشيل هذا واحط 2. اوكي بسوي هني بالآلة احسن. عندي المتبقي شنو؟ المتبقي صار عندي ألفا إكس سكوير بلس 2 ألفا إكس بلس 4 أوفر 2 بلس ألفا إكس. حلو. أجي أعوض ب 2 لأنه approximately to the 2, so the result will be 3. أوكي in that way. كيف أسوي؟ في بالنظر لما أخذ ال 2 هذا أخلي 2 وأخلي مربع ماله هني. أوكي لما أشتغل already هاي بفصلهم. أنا أعرف أن المربع الكامل حق الأربعة هي عبارة عن تي سكوير حق ال2 أو سوري تي ماينس 2 فهم تي بلس 2. زين هاي شلون أسوي؟ أخذ بس تي ماينس 2 وأخلي تي سكوير بلس 2 تي بلس 4. لو كانت خلينا نقول approximate to the 2 بيكون 4. فنفس الشيء أسوي تي بتكون هي 16 تحت بدل 4 بتكون 16. فأجي تي minus 4 t plus 4 t minus 4 t square plus 2 t plus 16 بدل 4. بس دي يعني بالنظر. اوكي مربع كامل. اذا هذا راجع الثانوية. اوكي انا بس الجامعة. اوكي تمام. now this question. وين كم وصلنا احنا الحين؟ اوكي باقي صفحتين ما في مشكلة. سريع بس بفهم. this question. okay this question they say for me limit if قال لي كذي if limit x goes to the 1 of f of x is 1. عندي هذه القيمة يعني يساوي 1. خلاص يعني أي مكان أشوف limit x goes to the 1 for f of x أعوضه دايركت ب1. الليمت هذا كله أعوضه ب1. هو قال لي evaluate. اوكي giving that. اوكي again أعطاني given ثاني limit x goes to the 1 for g of x. يعني أنا أي مكان بشوف limit x goes to the 1 for g of x أعوض دايركت ب minus 4. حلو. again ما مساكل again بحاول امشي سريع شوي فينا لان اتوقع خلاص متعودين. زين ف limit x goes to the 1 for h of x equal to 0. that means if I see anywhere limit x goes to the 1 for h of x I will remove all this one and I will put 0 in place it. so let us start. okay let us start solving. سؤال قال لي limit x goes to the 1 for f of x plus 2g of x. احنا قلنا we said that the limit I have to do it in this way. okay and 2 I will bring it, for example that will be the how will be look like the shape I will show now. limit x goes to the 2 1 for f of x plus 2 limit x goes to the 1 for g of x. اسمحوا لي على الخط شوي. okay so this is the way of writing this question. so what is the limit x goes to the 1 of f of x? it is 1. هذا كامل مو هذا نفسه هذا اللي هني هو نفسه اللي مني كامل. إذا شنو نفسه. إذا شنو بسوي replace حقه ب 1 يعني 1 plus 2 g of x if it goes to the 1. okay g of x so minus 1 minus 2 so minus 4 minus 4 by 2. من وين جت 2 او لا بعدل عليها خلاص عشان لا تصير خربطه. minus 2 هذه 2 نزلتها مني by minus 4 plus 3 plus 2 by minus 4 لان الليميت g of x is هذا كله هو minus 4. حلو. فجيت هنيها اذا 1 plus minus 8 شنو minus 8 2 by minus 2 اذا minus 8 is equal to minus 7. الجواب is minus 7. اوكي اللي بعده سؤال قال لي g of x. طبعا كلهم limit x goes to the 1 ما بعيد انا. g of x what is the value of g of x is minus 4. فلما انا اجي احط مني minus 4 اشيل g of x واحط مكانه minus 4. بمسح هاي كلها الحين عشان انا عندي مساحه يكون المهم رجعنا بحطها minus 4 that will be شنو minus 4 to the power 3. ترى الجواب سؤال جديد to the power 3. so what is the minus 4 to the power 3. مهم الشغله في طلبه الحين اعطيني كوارث في ناس جايين يكتبون minus كذيها minus 64 to the power 3. بشرحها عمدا. هو الجواب صح minus to the power sorry minus 4 to the power 3 صح ترى اوكي طلعت لي بالحط صح. لكن تخيل انه to the power 2. هل الجواب صح؟ فكبر الحين شوي بس. هل الجواب صح؟ فدائما تعودوا يا طلاب اوكي انكم تخلون القوس minus 4 to the power minus 3 sorry 3 حتى انا اتخربط. المهم to the 3 ليش؟ لان لو كانت تربيع راح تطلع لي بالموجب وهذا الجواب الصح. هذا الجواب الصح. ماينس اذا اخلي ماينس اخلي شنو تربيع للأود power different than even power. The even power if you didn't put the bracket in the calculator that will be find in the end minus answer. The minus answer is wrong, immediately wrong, and you will get 0. Okay, so take care of this one. If you put any minus negative value or do it by inspection like this. If you do the power put the bracket. You will do any power. Okay, خلينا نقول 8 plus alpha x okay plus 7 5 I will do the bracket. I will put the bracket. Okay, do it by inspection like this. Okay, so the value will be minus 64 as you see here. Okay, again because square root of f of x, what is the value of f of x is 1, so the square root of 1 is 1. Again 4 f of x of by that mean 4 by 1 خلاص ما بشرح واجد. F of x minus 4 so 4 with 4 will go that will be minus 1 over 1 is equal to minus 1. حيسألني minus 1 ليش كانت تحت راحت فوق عادي تروح فوق. مهم g of x over h of x ليش g of x is minus 4 g of x is minus 4 over h of x over 0. Anything over 0 is does not exist. Again here the value طبعا ليش صارت صفر شوي اشغل عقلي h of x is صفر so خلينا نقول له minus 4 by 0 over 1 is equal to 0. مهم ليش فوق 0 ما صارت دخلوها في الآلة تشيكوها بتصير شنو بتكون كذي لما ندخلها في الآلة بتكون minus 4 by 0 over 4 that will be لكن خلينا نقول 1 over 0 does not exist. Okay, now we will move here. What I have to do here got it now? Okay, evaluate the limit if it is exist. What I have to do here in this case I will do the other, which is I will take here square root of 25 minus h, sorry, plus h plus 5 over okay. As I say for you that you have to do this one by this one, okay, the first one by first one and the second one by second one. You will get in the end the answer will be like this, okay. Here h by h, so that will be the answer will be 25 plus h, because مثل ما شرحت لكم في البداية ان الجذر ويا الجذر راح يروحون ويا بعض، اوكي. then صاير كان نص أس نص في أس نص، okay. to the power half by to the power half, you have to sum it, you will get the 1, so that will be 1 plus second one by second one, 25 over h by square root of 25 plus h plus 5, okay. Now you have to put this one all, you can take this one with this one, with which is equal to 50, and the end will be that, you know, the value will be 50 plus h over whatever. So I will put this one in the calculator, okay. I will not show you, I think you can do it this one by yourself, because I have to go and back and go and back. So 50 plus alpha x over alpha x to the square root of 25 plus alpha x plus حرك السهم واحد plus 5 substituting by 0 0 or 25 by 25. Minus here, this is my mistake, okay. Okay, again let's repeat it. This is my mistake, I forget minus. Okay, here minus plus, so that in the end we'll get, I will get what, equal square root with square root will go, so h plus 25 minus 25 over h into square root of 25 plus h plus 5. Now when this one with this one will cancel, the remaining will be h, so h only, that will be, you know, will be h over like this, h over h square root of 25 plus h plus 5 out of bracket, I have to put it in out of square root, I have to put it in the bracket, then this one with this one remaining go, and the remaining will be 1. When I substituting by 1 here in the upper and I substitute by 0 in the bottom, you will get 1 over 10. Okay, take care for this one when you do the plus minus. Okay, this is the big deal in our mathematician. Big deal. Maybe you see me in the this is the third question I made mistake in plus and minus. Okay, and I was teaching you yani, so you have to take care also. Okay, because this is make big deal, make big difference, and make big problem. Okay, plus and minus. Okay, now question 14. خلصنا يعني باقي شوية. نسوي skip حق 14. لا المهم question 14. Yeah, let us move fastly. Question 14. They see this is very important. Okay, very important. They say limit x goes to the 1. Okay, they give me g of x it will be x if it is less than 1, and it will be 3 if it is equal 1, and it will be, you have to use this function, right, see me, this function if the x between 1 and 2, between 1 لا, it is greater than 1 but it is less than or equal to 2, it is greater than 1, that you cannot use it at 1, you can use only طريقة قراءته صارت كذي، هذه طريقة قراءته كذي. I have to put x in the middle and I read كذي، أشوف هاي أصغر ولا أكبر؟ أنا أصغر، so x less than or equal to 2، okay equal to 2 and x greater than 1، قراءته كذي، أخلي الإكس في الوسط وأقرأ يمين ويسار. greater than 1 mean what greater than 1؟ هل هو at 1؟ لا greater than 1 يعني 1.1 أوكي، يعني 2 يعني 3 greater than، لا you cannot exceed 3 because here the limitation. And also you have to use this function if it is greater than 1, that means if it is 3 4 5 6 you have to use this function. Now let us go through the question and solve it. حلو، قال لي limit x goes to the 1 from the left side. شنو يعني left side؟ that mean I have to substitute by 1 at the function that will be the 1 from the left side. شنو يعني left side؟ again I will draw this one. okay أنا برسمها حقي كذي، أبسط لروحي أرسم هذه. have to make something simple for me to simplify that I will understand. my value is here 1. حلو حلو. يقول لي from the left side I came then from here. that mean what؟ that mean I am negative side. that mean I came from the -1, from the left side, from the minus, from the negative, from the less than 1. I came from the less than 1, then I have to use the function from the less than 1 because of the minus. Also there's a notation, if it is minus up you have to use this than 1 because I came from the negative side. If you want to understand, I came from the negative side, I came with my negativity, so I came يعني أنا جاي من جهة السالب، جايب سوالب مالي، جايب مشاكلي أنا صراحة، لأن جايب مشاكلي. أنت تصخني بويش بالعربي؟ لأني جاي أنا بمشاكلي بسالب مالي، بسوالب مالي، أنت تصخني بالسالب، تصخني باستخدامك للدالة اللي أقل من 1. بمعنى آخر، بتسفيل أو آخر، أنا جايب سوالب يحتاج أنك تصخني بسالبي، تعطيني اللي أنا أستحقه، لأن أنا عندي واحد سلبي واحد جايب سالب. بمعنى آخر بالفانكشنز الآن غير الدروينجز، لأن أنا جايب السالب تعطيني اللي أنا أستحق، لأن أنا جايب أنا جاي كله بمشاكل، فأنت تصخني بمشاكلي وتفلتني، فتستخدم less than 1. that will be, I will substitute x1, so I will remove the x, so the function which is what? 1. so for that reason that the value is 1. okay, again limit x goes to 1 goes to the 1. goes to the 1 mean what? again goes to the 1, it means I am approach to the 1, not at 1. there is a difference. I approach to the 1, not at 1. in this case I teach you that if I have limit lel 1, okay, I have to check from the left side and from the right side. How I can check from the left side and right side? You have to do this way. What is the value of x if it is right side? It is 1. Left side, 1. And what is the value if it is at the right side. mean what right side? left side أقل من واحد يعني minus. right side mean greater than 1. وين الفاليو اللي يكون في greater than 1؟ greater than 1 هذه greater than 1 هذه greater than 1. فأنا أيضا أستخدم هذه الدالة. if the limit x goes to the value from the right side is equal to the limit x goes to the value left side, that mean the limit goes to the value from this side will be equal. طبعا هذه من ضمنها عشان اجيبها لكم بعد تجيها هذه هي الدالة. يقول the limit f of x goes to the a بالحروف a for the f of x is equal to L. ليش؟ متى؟ if and only if. من الكتاب جايبين لكم the limit x goes to the a from the left side is equal to the limit x goes to the right side. So left and right. If the left side is equal to the right side, that means the value of x without left and right will be same as left and right. In other words, okay? So yeah, I think خلاص يعني مللتكم بس ما أدري عاد إن شاء الله تثبت يعني هذه. المهم نكمل. عفوا. Okay, so x goes to the left side. So I have here, I want to substitute again here 2 minus 1 square. That will be 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So again from the right side is equal to the left side because this one is left side, this one is right side. So because of this one the value will be same. Okay, limit goes to the 1, x goes to the 1 of g of x from the left side is equal to the limit x goes to the 1 of g of x from the right side. So the limit x goes to the 1 without left and right is of g of x is equal to 1. Now the value again, what is the difference? I see limit and x, g of 1 here. G of 1 mean at 1, mean x is equal to 1, equal, not approximate, not approach, not less, not greater, it is equal. So what is the value of g of x? Equal to 1. When you see it, you will see the direct straightforward function. X is equal to 1, the value is 3, so the value is at 1 is 3. Now yeah, you will see now this thing. This is also very important, this thing, which is limit x goes to the 2 from the left side. Mean what from the left side? Mean if it is less than 1, you have to substitute by 2 mean less than 1. وين صارت less than 1 هني you have to substitute. So 2 minus 2 square is equal to 2 minus 4, so is equal to minus 2. ليش minus 2؟ لأن هني minus مو داخل minus برا. Okay, so 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2, so the value is minus 2. And also limit x goes to the 2 from the right side mean what? X greater than 2. Where is the greater than 2? Where is the greater than 2? It is this one, greater than 2. So you have to use this function, which is 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. The value will be the minus 3. Here by inspection, if the limit x goes to the 2 of g of x from the left side is not equal to the limit x goes to the 2 of g of x from the left side, that means the x goes to the 2 of g of x at the 2, x limit x goes to the g of x, add the two does not exist. Approach to the two does not exist. For that reason does not exist, because of the different value. Okay, now what's صاير now 14 10 11 شقحت أسئلة يلا ما عليه لكن okay you can 14 okay. Let's do this question. This question I think straightforward again, بس شوية حركة يبالي، اللي هو لما نجي هني مثل ما قلت لكم I have to do what? Multiply it, so square root of x plus 2 plus 2 again over same thing okay. Then you have to multiply it first by first, second by second. You will get in the end 2 minus x square root of x plus 2 plus 2 over الأول في الأول والثاني في الثاني بتكون كذي x plus 2 plus minus 4. ليش؟ لأن 2 by 2 2 minus 2 هذه ويا دي هذه ويا هذه. okay, so yeah, now how I can simplify. الملاحظ هنا أن عندي 2 minus x وعندي x plus 2. شلون أسويها؟ شلون نتخلص منهم؟ 2 minus لما اخذ هني minus common factor، هنجي ناخذ minus common factor، that البلس بتصير minus والماينس بتصير بلس، that will be شنو؟ بتكون كذي. بمسح بروح فوق، انا بروح بمسح فوق، ما عندي مساحة واجد لأنه زين. that I have to do here what? multiply it by minus. بتصير شنو؟ بتصير minus 2 minus plus x. هو نفسه شنو؟ لما اخذها ماينس، سوري، لما اخذ الكومن فاكتور ماينس، مو اوزع ماينس، لما اخذ الماينس اشيل الماينس من هني وهني ما في ماينس اشيله، بس لما اشيله شنو؟ احطه يعني كاني، فلما احطه بيصير شنو؟ minus 2 plus x. شلته من هني وشلته من هني، هو يسمونه ضرب ماينس، اقدر اختصرهم بضرب ماينس يعني لانهم عكس بعض، فامسحهم قانون خلاص، ما بشرح زيادة، انا ما عندي بروف عليه، امسحهم واحط ماينس بداله، ماينس 1. اوكي، امسحها واخلي ماينس 1 بداله. اوكي بس والله عقب لما اجي هني بتكون شنو؟ اعوض ب2 بتكون 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 2 over 4 or minus 4 بتكون minus 4. اوكي بحاول اشرحها مرة ثانية عقب. المهم هنيها اعطيني the segment of sine function denoted by، طبعا which one I have to select. اعطيني يقول لي minus 1 if x is minus 1، يعني بيكون شنو؟ if it is x minus 1 if the x is less than 0 the value will be minus 1. فلما اجي اقول اجي هني شنو؟ اشوف انا هذا متى يكون الفاليو minus 1؟ اذا كان كل القيم اقل من 0، وعند الصفر يكون شنو؟ عند الصفر يكون 0. عند الصفر يكون صفر، وعند إذا كان أكبر من صفر يكون واحد. هذه الرسمة. اللي بعده بتكون إيجاد من الرسم. إذا كان positive from the right side مين شنو؟ من الفانكشن أقدر أوجد x plus يعني موجب. موجب يعني شنو؟ أكبر من صفر يعني واحد. حلو؟ again minus لأن ليش؟ أقل من صفر. أقل من صفر كم؟ minus 1. اللي بعده لأن right side is not equal to the left side so does not exist. again قال لي limit x goes to the 0 of absolute mean what? absolute mean I have to check from the left side and right side. هني right side كان minus, absolute minus 1 is 1, so the value from the right side and left side is 1. now for the absolute from the right side and left side is 1, so for that reason the value is 1 and it is exist. لما يقول لي 0 احتاج شيء from right side and left side. إذا كان right side نفس اللي left side أحط الفاليو. حلو. هني ما بلاش نفس حركة ذاك السؤال. بروح أشوف السؤال. هني أرجع مرة ثانية. I have 2 minus x and I have here x plus 2 minus 2 minus 4. دقيقة. اوكي بحل السؤال من جديد انا معنا. بصغر الخط. المهم خلينا نقول اني هني شنو وش اسوي؟ ضرب مرافق صح. لما اضرب المرافق شنو يصير جواب؟ بيصير 2 minus x في square root of 2 x plus 2 plus 2. اوكي تحت لما اضربهم في بعض بيكون x plus 2 minus 4 ما plus 2 minus 4 بيكون عندي x هذا ببدله بوش x minus 2. فخلني اجي امسح هذه اوكي واخلي مكانها x minus 2. حلو زين. الحين شلون اقدر اكنسل هذه؟ اوكي شلون اقدر اكنسل هذه مع هذه؟ اقدر اخذ هني minus 1 common factor برا اللي من خلاله هذا بيستوي شنو؟ minus 2 plus x او اذا صح التعبير هو نفسه شنو؟ x plus 2 اقول سوري x minus 2. الجمع شنو؟ عملية تبديلية. فماينس 2 صارت 2 x صارت x. زين هذه مو نفسها حين هذه مو نفسها دي نفس الشيء بس شنو في برا minus 1. فأنا وش بسوي؟ بكنسل هذه ويا دي وبخلي minus 1. the value will be minus 1 of في الوين؟ في square root of x plus 2 plus 2. أعوض بال 2 that will be شنو؟ minus 1 into square root of 2 plus 2 is 4 so 2 plus 2 square root of 4 is 2 و 2 so 4 بتكون شنو؟ minus 1 into 4 that equal to minus 4. اوكي اسمحوا لي غلطات واجد في البلس ماينس انا اليوم. اوكي بس باقي اخر صفحة. اوكي نفس طريقتهم كلهم صراحة. هني دايركت سبستيوشن، اوكي، او ضرب بتصير مرافق بس يصيرون براكت في براكت. حلو بروحكم، ترى سهلين دلين، هذا سهلين ما بحله خلاص، طولت واجد. حلو بروحكم، هذا بعد سهل ترى. 3x سكوير اعوض بزيرو هني، وش اسوي؟ اعوض بزيرو زيرو هني مثل ما قلت لكم بشرحها. هذا انا هني اسوي فاكتورايزيشن، بتكون كذي، بتكون x بلس h في الوين، في الاكس سكوير بلس hx ابروش زيرو، لا اوكي، بلس h سكوير، اوكي، على h. اوكي كذي المفروض يصير. عقب في له اختصار وما ادري شنو تحلونه. هاي نفس الشي بعد limit t goes to zero، اضرب ضرب موافق هني بس اغير بلس، هاي اخلي بلس، ماينس اخلي بلس، اوكي، وبس اضرب فوق وتحت، اللي فوق بيتكنسلون الجذر ويا الجذر عقب، وما الى اخره. بالتوفيق ان شاء الله. اذا ما عرفتنا بس بحله بطرش بالجروب خلاص. اوكي سهل يعني. اوكي هذا لين بعد نفس الشيء بس not exist. الاسئله من ابروف طبعا، لانه السؤال ما ادري عاد. اوكي هذا نفسه من هنا 12 كأنه هو هني. اوكي شنو selection of لا depending on the given. اوكي depending on the given. لا مو موجود السؤال عندي، مختفي. اوكي توفيق ان شاء الله. اي سؤال ان شاء الله بس جاوب لكم على الكتابي كذي. ها